country guitar. That's the theme of today's video. Specifically, the top 5 reasons you should get yourself a copy of this book. This is my worn out copy of Country Guitar, written by Koch, published by Hal Leonard Publications. I'm sitting here in my music store in small town Connecticut, and I realized we got 3 brand new copies of this book sitting on the shelf. I don't need 3 extra copies. I want 3 of you to get a copy of this book. It's a great book, and it comes with a CD. So to get the book, check out my website down there, Songbike. Head over to that website, click on the store section of the website, and then click on everything you need to click on, and I will send you a copy of this book. At least the first 3 of you, I will send you a copy of Country Guitar. Now, the rest of this video will be 5 sort of excerpts from this book. I'll show you some awesome things that this book will teach you. You'll see the short version on YouTube. The longer version will be for members of Songbike. All right, you ready? Let's get started. One of my favorite things to teach students is the arrangement of I Walk the Line found in this book. It's all tabbed out nice and clearly. I'll play through it for you right now, slowly and steadily, so you can hear what it sounds like. 3, 4, 1. Another great lesson in this book is applying the blues shuffle pattern to Hank Williams' classic Move It On Over. And again, it's all tabbed out very clearly. The blues shuffle pattern, as a reminder, goes like this. Now here's what it sounds like applied to Move It On Over. I come in last night, 10:30. Baby in mine wouldn't let me in. Move it on over. Move it on over. Move over, little dog. The big dog's moving in. Here's a neat trick from the book that you may not have seen before. We're going to take a major scale and play a nice descending version of it, but we're going to harmonize each note with another note in the interval known as a sixth. Okay, let's get down to business. First we have the major scale. First skinny string, 12th fret, an E major scale, descending. Doesn't sound very glamorous, right? Now we're going to add in a note using hybrid picking, my pick and my finger, and it's going to harmonize that scale. It's going to sound like this. Yeah, a lot prettier. It's a sweet sound, right? Country guitar players use sixths like this to do soloing, to make up little riffs and little fills, okay? So, my pick is plucking down on the 3rd string, my middle finger is plucking up on the 1st string. That's how I get that combined sound. This is all tabbed out in the book, and it's easy, but it sounds great, right? All right, YouTubers, head over to Songbike and get yourself a copy of this book. While you're there, become a member, and you can see the rest of this video, plus a lot of great videos not available on YouTube. I'll see you over at Songbike.